Here comes a troop train being pulled by E6 number 12A. It's coming up originally out of Fort Sill, Oklahoma through Tulsa. And those are all the microtrains, troop train cars that were done probably about 15 years ago. A lot of duplicate numbers, but you know, it's N scale. Nobody really can see them unless you really look close. But this is kind of my companion extra to the hospital train. And we'll pick it up on the other side. Here comes the train in through Paradigm. I got a switch. It's got to go to the other side. Yeah, we get a good low level look-see at this train. Hopefully it won't stop. This train also has a couple of troop kitchen cars. Keep the troops fed. You pick it up as it goes into the station. And here she comes. And I've been working on a little bit of the scenery. That's kind of a cardboard mock-up of the waiting room, and with one of the sets of stairs that are coming down. Okay, I'm going to walk around. This is just a cardboard mock-up. I'm not going to use, sorry, I keep kicking stuff I got on the floor. I'm not going to use this building here. I'm going back to using the Walthers. And I'm thinking about buying another one so that I can kit bash them so it's kind of centered. But this is going to be the waiting room over the tracks, and there'll be a lot more posts and stuff. I just wanted to see if my measurements were good to work. So anyway, that's kind of what I've been working on the platforms, and so anyway, see you next time.